Here I have Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me show you on this example how to easily enter the recovery mode even if you forgot your screen lock. So let's begin. Let's imagine the situation that you would like to access the recovery mode, but you don't remember the pattern, PIN or password. There is a way to do it on this phone. All you need to do is start by holding the power key and volume down together simultaneously. Keep holding both keys. When the device goes black, you need to release them immediately, right now. And now let's prepare the USB-C cable. The USB-C cable should be connected to your PC or to a laptop, and let's connect your phone with this cable. Alright, and now all you need to do is hold down together power key and volume up simultaneously. Let me show you. Keep holding the volume up and power key. Keep holding both keys. Okay, now you can release both keys. Android system recovery is in front of you. Here you can read a few information about your device, about your system. You can also navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. You can choose here apply update from ADB, you can choose apply update from SD card, you can choose wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, view recovery logs, run graphic test, run local test, or choose power off. So if you would like to quit this mode, choose the last option, power off, or the first one, which is reboot system now. In my case, let me choose the first one, press power key to confirm it, and wait until the device will boot into a normal mode. Okay, now you can enable your device, and as you can see, the device is in normal mode. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.